What's up, bros? It's easy, bro, and welcome sa another video kung saan magre-react tayo sa funniest pranks na meron sa internet. So, let's go! Uh, let's English siya, American. American tong content na to, guys. So, panoorin natin kung ano magiging reactions natin. Again, guys, hindi ako natatawa pag may mga aksidenteng nangyari sa totoo lang. Hindi kasi nakakatawa.
Come on! Hey, Joe.
Yun, medyo nakakatawa para sa akin. Yun, medyo nakakatawa yun para sa akin.
We are starting on a new book. It's called
Ginuwilat ang putik. Ako lang ba masyadong overreacting? Masyado namang sobra yung pag-express niya ng reaction niya. Gagi. Siguro kung ako nasa sitwasyon na yan, yung reaction ko puta parang lalabas yung kaluluwa ko sa katawan ko. Kasi putek, may may ahas. Biggest hates ko yan mga guys. Pag may mga mga ganyang creatures, ayoko sa pakiramdam yung mga yan. Lalo na yung ipis. Sobrang magalamay sila, kagaya ng hipon. Ayoko sa mga ganun eh.
What do you want me to look like?
Naisahan niya yung lola niya.
Hey, Corbell, grab that bag real quick.
What? Ano yun? What? Ang sakit niyan ah.
Bakit? Wala ka gininang! Bisit ka! Anong ginawa mo? Sa dila mo! Huwag kininahanap mo.
Kala ko totoo. Kala ko totoo yung
What is that 2.0 version?
Oh! Jake!
What happened?
Son! That's not cool.
Funny.
Oh.
I love your joke. What happened? You just totally wet me and Dad? What just happened? Why did you do that?
yung wala kang ginawa pero ikaw pa yung nasisi kasi nasa tapat ka. Oo.
All this happened. Mom! Why did you do that? Look down my back, son. What just happened? You poured stuff all down my back. What? How? Yeah!
What? What? Joke's on you, I'm keeping it like this.
What? Ang weird nun, ah. Bakit ganun yung wallpaper. Parang pati yung unan, ano, tinakpan.
Three, two, one.
Bro, nabiktima siya.
This is my workout. First, we start with squats.
What? Sakit yun ah. Lalo na pag sa itlog.
You're recording. Are you...
Nagulat.
Did you get it up?
Just trying to get this up for your birthday party.
Yo!
Yesterday, I think we had some regular ones.
Ba't niya nilagay doon yung mga ano, bola? Medyo ano din yun ah, medyo ano din eh, no, nakaka-offend. Like, nagkakalat sila, ganun.
Oh, come on!
One more.
Itlog mga guys, itlog. Kadiri yan, that's gross man. Camouflage. Camouflage. Kung ako dyan, ma-offend na ako. Kasi man, madami naman pwedeng paglaruan. Bakit nilagay mo yung bola dun sa cabinet? Yung mga mini balls na yun.
Oh, what is this? Yeah.
Layla, you didn't like it.
What the heck?
Kinley, you didn't like it?
She'll still like the chocolate.
Sorry.
It's this. Yeah.
I don't get guys. Ano nakakatawa dun sa bola? Like, hindi ko maintindihan.
Alright, you need to separate.
What the heck was that?
Somebody see him prank you. Somebody see him.
Napagtripan yung teacher ah. Kung yung teacher mo parang kaibigan mo ito rin. Pero syempre, hindi yan tolerated para sa akin. Dapat respetuhin natin yung mga teachers. At huwag natin pagtripan ganun.
Hey!
Oh my god! It's puking! It's disgusting!
And 3, 2,
Sige guys, hanggang dito na lang muna ang video natin. So, see you at my next video.